is Malaysian Flight 370. The mysterious disappearance in the Malaysian Flight 370 fills the heads of most of the nation. How does a Boeing 777 carrying 239 passengers just vanish into thin air? Today I'm going to discuss with you some of the information that the investigators and experts are focusing on and considering in their search efforts. First one is what happened just before the plane vanished. Second, the satellite images and their search efforts to investigate. And three, some of the unexplained elements that are being looked into by investigators and experts. Hello, my name is Veronica. And that question looms in my head of where is and what happened to the Malaysian Flight 370, as well as it is most of the nation. On March 8th, the Boeing 777, leaving Malaysia on its way to Beijing carrying 239 passengers, vanished. We do know that there was a programmed change in directions just 12 minutes before sign-off. Experts and investigators say that it had to be done by someone in the cockpit that knew what he or she was doing. And experts also say that to turn off everything, it had to be done manually within the cockpit. That being said, since the plane went missing, the satellite images from France, from China, from several different places show floating debris, or what they thought was floating debris. When they get out there to search and investigate, it's already gone, or it showed nothing. They did find a pallet with some straps on it, which could be from a flight, but it is used for cargo. Well, the search effort is kind of hard because when they get these satellite images, they go out to investigate, but it's most likely 2 to 3 days later, so obviously with the currents, that debris moves. And another effort that is trying for them is where they're searching now in the Indian Ocean is they have a 4-hour flight out. And then some planes, they can only search for a couple hours before they have to go back in because of fuel. So it's making it very trying for them in their search efforts. They have 8 planes. I think now they've bumped it up to 10. Also some ships. But thus far, they have searched a total area of 2.97 million square miles, which is an area the size of the continental United States. That's a vast area to be searching. But the search will continue. But the question still remains. Did it actually go down into the ocean, or did it land somewhere? The experts are focusing on all areas. Now, some of the unexplained elements. Some may have heard of, some may have not. The first one is the 54-minute transcript from cockpit to ground control before the plane, or while the plane was in the air. There was a call from the cockpit to ground control stating we are cruising at an altitude of 35,000 feet. Well, the question is, that was just done previously 6 minutes earlier. Why did they repeat themselves? Was it a sign that something is wrong? And then the next was their sign off. Was, all right, good night. And that was it. Nothing left. Still, the search remains. And the investigators and experts are considering everything. And they will continue to search for this plane. That being said, we know what happened before the vanishing of the plane, the satellite images, and their efforts of investigating, um, and the unexplained elements of the transcripts. And they also, the chief executive officer of Malaysian flight, also said that the plane had a cargo of lithium ion batteries. Could that have been a catastrophic disaster for the plane? It's been known to cause explosions before. But there's still no concrete proof the plane went down in the ocean or it landed. There's no concrete proof, evidence of where, how, what. That is the focus of investigators and experts. They will continue to search for this plane until it is found, if it is ever found. We can only hope and pray that there are survivors, and hope and pray for the loved ones of those on that flight. Thank you.